My name is Anders Egelrud. I'm CEO of Stockholm Exergi, and I'm also, which are one of the co-founder of Stockholm Data Parks. Stockholm Exergi is a joint venture between Fortum and the city of Stockholm. Each of them owns 50%, which I think is a good combination, because then we can have also the industrial knowledge from Fortum, and we can combine that with the infrastructure knowledge and also the development of the city, which the politicians in Stockholm are in great hands of. As a co-host of this Energy Smart conference, we think the day has been fantastic so far. I think we have been listening to interesting speech, and we have also had the opportunities to make contacts with interesting companies which are both working within the DCD sector, but also working with setting up data centers, or actually are a supplier to the data center sector. And I think the beautiness of this conference is actually that we have both the energy sector and the data center sector here. And the combination between both sectors will not be 1+1, it will be 1+1 will be 3 at least. I think a good message from this conference is that the data center sector is growing very fast. It stands for a lot of the electricity need in the world, and will be most likely stand for even more in the future. But there are a lot of good combinations which we can provide to the data center sector from the energy sector, like reusing the heat, like finding other solutions where the data centers and the energy sector can utilize the different assets and combine them in a new way, which both will be more cost efficient and a better use of the assets, and also be a smarter way of handling with both aspects. We have unique opportunities in Stockholm. There has been a wise decision made by the politicians for a long time ago. We have an energy policy which has been driving the utility sector into a way where we are today, that we have a lot of renewables, we have a lot of infrastructure which we can utilize. But I think to catch up that from other cities in the world, it's possible, but you need to find the individual solutions for each city, more or less. And that's possible, and you can catch up things which we have done in Stockholm, we can implement them directly in other cities without doing the development which we have been doing here. I think the energy sector and the data center sector stands for quite great challenges, maybe from different perspectives, but we both share the climate change challenge. And in order to handle that, I think we need to cooperate much more. We need to utilize the digitalization in order to be more cost efficient, find combined solutions between the energy sector, helping customers to be more energy efficient, but also both to invest in new renewables and green energy. I think that is necessary if we would like to mitigate the climate change. The value of this event from our perspective is that we both can make contacts with very interesting companies. We can listen to the newest solutions and the greatest ideas which are within the data center business in whole Europe and in the whole world. And of course we also can see if there are possibilities to cooperate with many of the new companies which are visiting in this conference. I think the international angle for us is very important from two perspectives. One is that we can show the rest of the world what we are doing in Stockholm, and hopefully others can adapt to some of our good, call it, solutions which we have implemented here in Stockholm. On the other hand, we have also a need for the international conference from that perspective, that if we have good contacts with international companies and they are established here in Stockholm, it means tremendous a lot for us. And that shows also that our solutions is the best in the world, maybe.